Hi, I'm Team PlaNet. Now I will demonstrate how to use our application. User must first register to use the application. Click the Sign Up button to register. In the opened window, please fill in your personal data. Please note that there is an age limitation in our app. The application is only for teenagers, young people aged 12 to 18. After filling in the fields, click the Sign Up button. Now your personal page loads. Click plus button at the bottom of your personal page and add your post. An important thing to mention. To avoid unwanted publications, application has an additional artificial intelligence AI module which checks the content before confirming. A negative expression or a photo will not be approved. On the left side of the screen, there is a menu function that will help you to highlight the post on the topics you are interested in. Now you can see many interesting publications from teenagers around the world. Here they talk about their country's culture, cuisine, touristic sites, outdoor games, interests, and many other interesting things. Thanks for your attention.